In today's video, I'll show you how to add a section in Asana. Sections are like headers that group your tasks into stages or categories. So instead of one endless list, you get a clean, organized project that's easy to scan. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. Now, in the list view, your tasks are already grouped under sections like To Do, Doing, and Done. Let's say I want to add a brand new stage of my own. I'll scroll down to the very bottom of the task list, where there's an Add Section button waiting. Clicking that drops in a fresh section with the cursor ready, so I can name it right away. Let me type a name for this new stage. I'll call it Blocked, a handy place to park tasks that are stuck waiting on something. Now I'll press Enter to lock in the name, and just like that, my new section appears in the project, ready to hold tasks. And here's the best part. Adding tasks to it is effortless. You can click Add Task right underneath the section, or simply drag any existing task and drop it under this new heading. Your tasks reorganize themselves instantly. Sections work across your views too. The same groups you set up here in the list view show up as columns over in the board view, so your organization follows you wherever you work. So to recap, open your project, scroll to the bottom and click Add Section, type a name, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.